Everyone, welcome back to Piece by Piece Mosaic.
Piece by piece mosaic, boys!
I gotta figure that out. I don't understand. Anyways, today I've got something a little different. As promised, I picked up the DIY Mosaic coaster kit, and according to the box, it's designed specifically for beginners and even kids. Claims to include everything you need to make 8 Mosaic coasters. Whenever I see a kit that claims to include everything, I'm curious, does it actually include everything that you need to start and finish the project? Second, is the quality good enough to create something you're actually going to want to use or display? And last, is it really beginner friendly, especially for children or someone that's curious about getting into mosaics? I would hate for someone to get this box and think to themselves, wow, I never want to do mosaics again. So in this video, we're going to unbox the kit together, take a close look at everything that comes inside, talk about the quality of the materials and the tools, if any, and I'll give you my honest thoughts on whether something like this is actually a good way for beginners or kids to get started with mosaics. The box doesn't look like anything special. There's no designs on it or anything, but we didn't pick this up for the box. We want to see what's inside the box. Let's see. Oh wow, everything's nicely packaged. Mixing bowls or some sorting bowls for the tiles. Got some packages here. So it seems like each coaster has its own little kit. That makes reviewing this pretty easy then. I guess I'll just open one and we'll see. So this right here is everything that comes in one of these little bags. It's like we have the coaster, which is made out of bamboo, nice and light, and it has a little recess in there where we can place our tiles. Comes with a grout sponge. Comes with a little bag of grout powder. Comes with a glove, some glue for the tiles, a mixer or a spreader for the grout, which is, I'm assuming, what this bowl is for. And finally, it comes with tiles. The tiles in each bag are different. There's different colors of tiles. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull out all the tiles. You can see that they're all different. There's not really a uniform package that they're gonna give you. These little tiles are indeed glass. However, these stars in here are all plastic. And I'm assuming it's gonna be the same. Yeah, these stars are a plastic stars. This one has a little rainbow in there. But the tiles are glass, yes, but there are plastic pieces in here as well. The stars are plastic, just so a rainbow's plastic. The good thing here is you don't need to cut any of these tiles. Everything's already pre-cut for you. Now I'm going to just open all these tiles up here, and I will make one of these circle coasters. All right, I've opened the box of all the tiles. Again, the actual tiles themselves are glass, but we do have plastic pieces in here as well. And there are a couple of these little half plastic pearly looking things, as well as this little small bag of really small beads. So this does seem like to be a thicker glue. It's not just white glue like I had assumed before. I don't know, should we put this flower in the middle? Why not? It comes with a kit. Let's see what it's gonna look like with a little flower plopped onto the middle here. It's completely flat at the back. But is it the same thickness? Yeah, okay, it is. And these tiles are obviously pre-shaped. You don't have to cut these. It's not hard. You don't need any nippers or anything. No special tooling is required. You just need to have a little bit of patience and a little bit of creativity. And you can do this as well. For an adult standpoint, I would say this kit is too basic for an adult. This is definitely a children's project. In the description, it said adults could do this too, and sure, yes, adults can do this if you just want to willy-nilly throw a bunch of these things on here. Yes, yes, yes. But if you want to make a set of 4 coasters that are all going to match and be the same design, that's not going to happen with this kit. This kit is definitely just make one coaster. You're not going to have enough tiles to make a full design, because I'm already out of purple tiles now, so I can't even finish off this little design that I wanted to finish off here. And for everything you get here, and let's be honest, it's a great deal for kids, and it includes everything. Yes, I see that it does include everything. Great for kids, yes. Will it sort of give you a taste for mosaics? Yes. Good for adults? Yes. However, will it give you a set for matching coasters? No, it will not. It does not include enough tiles of each color for you to make a matching set. Wonderful. So I made one coaster. Do I have enough tiles now to replicate this same design on these 4? I do not. So that's what I'm saying. This would be great for children that want to just make a big mishmash of colors just to glue things together. Would it be great for adults? Not so much. So now let's put some of this grout into here. I've made a video about mixing grout and how to grout. You can watch that. It's you can find that on my channel. However, it's always good to start with as little water as possible. You would be surprised at how little water you need. I mean, that's probably the perfect amount. Grout should be like peanut butter consistency. You would normally let this sit. When you're making big mosaics, when I'm doing my mosaics, I let my pieces dry for 24 hours. So I wouldn't grout this until the next day. However, for this demonstration, and because this is so tightly packed, like I don't see any of these pieces falling out anytime soon, I'm gonna pour the grout in there right now just to show you how you would do it. So you would get your kids to pour the grout into all the little cracks and crevices. So, and you're just pushing it down in there. I see why they include the gloves. This could get messy. I can only imagine a little, 8 kids or a bunch of kids doing this at a birthday party. Definitely you're gonna wanna cover your table. And adult supervision will be required, that's for darn sure. Okay. It definitely includes more than enough grout per package than one will need to make a coaster. You just take the excess off. And once you've seen that you've pushed the grout down into all your pieces, then you would set this aside and let it dry. Wipe off any excess. Then once you're done with that, you would just put this aside, let it dry 24 hours, let the grout set. This could be a quick set grout because it's made as a kit. But if it's not, you would let it sit for 24 hours. I got my sponge and I damped it, and all I'm gonna do is in small circular motion here, just gonna rub that in. So I can tell that this is definitely some quick setting grout. Wipe away any extra grout from the outside. Small little circles. I mean, it does look pretty nice. All right. Cool. Nice. Well, there you have it. Made one coaster. Okay, final thoughts. Let's start with the pros. Yes, this set includes everything that you need to make 8 coasters. It includes quality bamboo coasters. It includes glass tiles as well as some little plastic beads to make some little fancy designs like this. That's a plus. It includes everything you need to make 8 coasters. Wonderful for kids, individually packaged. I think it'd be great for birthday parties or just like a kids' night, sleepover, gathering, whatever. Or even for schools. This would be great for an art class. This would be great. The downside, in fact, the only downside I see to this kit is that it doesn't include enough matching tiles to create a set. Could I make these 8 coasters? Of course I could. Would every one of them look like this? No, they won't. I mean, there's only one of these little big flowers in the middle in this set, so this is the only one that's gonna look like this. Another good thing is you don't need any other tools. You don't need to cut or shape everything. They've got all these different shapes for you to use, so that's great. Now, would this set be good for adults? I know adults are a bit more professional and have a higher standard. The only downside I see to this kit, again, is that it does not include enough tiles that are matching of the same color. In my opinion, what I would have changed about this kit, and one day I will have my own kits. That is my goal, is to make my own kits that you guys can buy. The only improvement I could see with this kit, and what I'll do when I make my kits, is including enough tiles of the same color. For example, this pink and blue and yellow theme looks wonderful, but I can only make one of this coaster with these tiles. So instead of having all this mumbo jumble of colors, I would rather include enough pinks and enough blues and enough yellows to make a set of 4 and a set of 4. That is really the only downside I see to this kit. There's just not enough matching tiles, but it includes everything. There's no cutting involved. There's no extra steps. Right out of the box, you could make 8 coasters. One downside, each coaster is gonna be different. And my final thoughts, a great set for children, a great set for birthday parties, schools, and just to get your feet wet in the world of mosaics. It includes everything right out of the box, ready to roll. If you wanted a mixture of coasters where no 2 look the same, then this is definitely the kit for you. But if you want something that matches, if you want to make 4 of these designs, that's not going to happen with this kit. However, if you're not too picky on the design and you just want to see, do I like gluing things and grouting things and making a simple little mosaics like this, this is a great kit. It's a great kit to start making mosaic. And it's a functional piece. These are coasters. You can actually use these. Once this is all dry, you can put your cup down on there. And I mean, a coaster is a coaster. It works as a coaster. However, you won't get 4 of the same design. Well, I hope that review was helpful. And if there's any other products you want me to check out or review on the channel when it comes to mosaics, let me know and I'll be happy to do that for you. Please make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video if you found it helpful. In next week's video, I'm gonna go into the grouting method more in depth and show you the different kinds of grout and how different grout colors can affect the finished piece. I appreciate you sticking around and watching the video. You could like, comment, and subscribe. That would be great. If not, that's all good. Hopefully I'll convince you soon enough. And I'll catch you in the next video.